I had to solder a new port on because the guy broke it. This is for the M.2 port. As you can see, I'm covering that port because there was a bunch of solder masks that I had to remove, but unfortunately it had a bunch of resistors. So there's a motherboard here. Let's go into the microscope and see what I'm looking at. Those tiny little resistors. I'm using very fine tweezers the best I can to get that back on there. There's our connection, the M.2. If it'll focus here. I'm not sure why. Oh, there we go. So I had to solder that on, which was a little tricky. But I tested all the connections. Let's see here, let's get them forward end view. Yep. So if you need some soldering work done, we can do it here at TechMD. Pretty cool, huh?